Okay, crypto fam, better buckle up for this one. Ready for a mind-blowing opportunity? What if I told you there's a project that's not only revolutionizing cloud gaming, but also offering you a chance to earn passive income with nodes starting at just $38? And get this, they're throwing in a free $90 airdrop. Intrigued? You should be. Let's dive into the world of DeepLink. Listen up, because this is huge. DeepLink isn't just another crypto project. It's a game changer in the literal sense. We're talking about the largest Web3 cloud gaming platform out there, and they've just dropped their node sale. But here's the kicker. Buy a node now, and you'll get a free airdrop worth $90. Do the math, folks. That's like getting the node for free and then some. Now you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. These nodes are the real deal. They'll run on your PC, creating a decentralized physical infrastructure network, DePIN, that powers the CPU and GPU backbone of this massive cloud gaming platform. We're not talking small potatoes here. DeepLink boasts over 1.4 million users across 110 countries. That's global domination in the making. But wait, it gets better. Their token has already raised a cool $4.5 million in the public sale. And hold on to your hats, because it's expected to hit top exchanges next month. You know what that means? Potential moonshot alert. Let's break this down, shall we? DeepLink is tackling multiple fronts with one killer solution. They're not just dipping their toes in the water. They're cannonballing into the deep end of AI, cloud gaming, and the GPU resource shortage. It's like they looked at the tech world's biggest problems and said, challenge accepted. Now let's talk numbers. The cloud gaming market has exploded from a modest $600 million in 2020 to a whopping $6.5 billion now. That's not just growth. That's strapping a rocket to your back and shooting for the stars. And DeepLink is right at the forefront, offering 8K resolution gaming with practically zero lag. It's so smooth, you'll think you're living in the future. But DeepLink isn't just about gaming. Oh no, they're much smarter than that. They've split their ecosystem into two powerhouses, the DeepLink protocol for cloud gaming and the DeepLink software for remote PC access. It's like they're playing chess while everyone else is stuck on checkers. Let's geek out for a second on their cloud gaming protocol. They've got Hycon's Cloud, which lets you rent GPU servers or cloud desktops. But here's where it gets really interesting. They're revolutionizing internet cafes. In countries like Korea, China, and Brazil, these cafes are huge business. DeepLink's solution? Turn any spot with a good internet connection and decent monitors into a cloud cyber cafe. No expensive equipment needed. Genius, right? Now about that DeepLink software. It's not just some boring remote access tool. This bad boy lets you control your computer from anywhere in the world, leveraging their low latency infrastructure. And get this, they're selling Crown NFTs that give you a year's access to this software. But here's the cherry on top. 10% of that NFT revenue goes straight into node rewards. Talk about a win-win. But hold on to your seats, because DeepLink isn't stopping there. They're diving into hardware too. We're talking blockchain cloud gaming consoles, handheld devices, home GPU servers, and even blockchain PCs and VR headsets. It's like they're building the Stark Industries of the crypto world. Now let's talk business model, because this is where it gets juicy. They're taking a 20 to 30% commission on cloud game transactions, which then gets burned to pump up the DLC token price. Plus, they've got licensed node models for those cloud internet cafes and esports centers. It's a money-making machine, and you can be part of it. All right, let's get to the good stuff. The nodes. This is your golden ticket, folks. These nodes are ridiculously cheap, starting at just $30 and maxing out at $155. Right now, Tier 3 is up for grabs at about $38. And remember that $90 airdrop I mentioned? Yeah, that's per node. You do the math. You're basically getting paid to buy these nodes. The nodes come in two flavors, CPU and GPU. CPU nodes earn 4% of the minting reward, while GPU nodes rake in 8%. Each node is guaranteed to earn a minimum of 100,000 DLC tokens. With only 120,000 nodes total, you're getting in on the ground floor of something massive. Here's the kicker. They've already sold over 8,000 nodes in Tier 1, and there are only 10,000 left in Tier 3. The FOMO is real, people. And remember, for each node you buy, you're getting that sweet 30,000 DLC token airdrop. It's like they're paying you to join the party. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. But let me tell you, the team behind this is legit. We're talking real people, making real moves in the industry. They've got solid backers and a clear roadmap. This isn't some fly-by-night operation. This is the real deal. So how do you get in on this? It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just click the link in the description. Connect your wallet. Pro tip: use BNB for those sweet, sweet low gas fees. Choose your tier and boom, you're in. The KYC is a breeze. Just an email address to prove you're not a bot. Remember, the more nodes you snag, the more of those juicy 30,000 DLC token airdrops you'll get. It's like printing money, but cooler and totally legal. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. We're talking ground floor of a project that's set to disrupt not just one, but multiple industries. Cloud gaming, AI, decentralized infrastructure, DeepLink is hitting all the high notes. So what are you waiting for? The node sale is live, the airdrops are dropping, and the future is calling. Don't be that person who looks back in a year and thinks, man, I should have bought those DeepLink nodes when I had the chance. Be the person who's sitting pretty, watching their nodes earn, and thinking, best decision ever. Remember, in the world of crypto, fortune favors the bold. And right now, bold is spelled DeepLink. Get in, get those nodes, and let's ride this rocket to the moon together. All right, that's all from me, you beautiful crypto warriors. If this info lit a fire under you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and get ready for more groundbreaking projects coming your way. Until next time, keep your nodes running and your gains growing.